Let's take a look at this Coin Multi Tool Keychain. It really is coin sized. That's how it looks. Has a nice weight to it. Costs around 499 rupees or $6 or so. This is the knife. That's good enough for opening packages. On the back you get 6 screwdrivers. These are a bit tricky to take them out, but it will get a bit easier as you start using it. And this goes here. The whole thing is made out of metal, so it's nice and sturdy. Now you use this as a screwdriver. And they are held quite securely too. Such a compact and well-made multi-tool. Quite nice. Check it out.